Netflix's ad-supported tier is reportedly gathering momentum in the U.S. Ooh.
Some good news.
Careful, YouTube. Netflix is coming for you. Around 1 million accounts are thought to be subscribed to the cheaper tier, which got off to a slow start after its launch last November. Around 1 million accounts are now signed up to Netflix's ad-supported tier in the U.S., according to internal figures seen by Bloomberg. The tier was first launched in early November and is thought to have gotten off to a slow start. Come January, however, 19% of new signups in the U.S. opted for the $6.99 ad-supported tier, according to analytics firm Antenna. Bloomberg cautions that the internal data it saw is at least a month old and that it doesn't account for multiple users watching via the same account. But the figure suggests that Netflix is finding its footing with the new revenue stream after having been overwhelmingly reliant on subscriber revenue for most of its history. And Bloomberg notes that ad-supported subscribers appear to be new to the service rather than users downgrading from the traditional ad-free plan, which is kind of a key because you'd be concerned that the profit margin associated with your existing customers will be slashed as they went to the ad-supported tier. Instead, it's new people coming along that hadn't previously tried Netflix that were like, oh, this ad-supported tier, I'm willing to give that a crack. And then maybe they found something they wanted to watch. Obviously, this has the potential to completely flip Netflix's model if they, if they choose to and to what extent they want to. Historically, it's been all very high-margin stuff. They go out, spend a fortune making this content, and then charge you a fortune for it. In an ad-supported scenario, it's all about eyeballs and volume. And so how do you get a lot of people? You got to increase your advertising base. You need people to be interested. Maybe you need to cover a large number of niches, and maybe you need to become more like YouTube, which would be really strange. Some mixture of short form and long form, some mixture of premium content and
games,
seemingly more user-generated stuff. What about sports? Do they ever make a play in that direction?
Live.
What about live? I mean, it just brings up all these other opportunities. Now, what is the price of the ad-supported situation? That's the thing. It has to be a big enough gap, and I can't remember. Is it like ad support is like $5? Oh, $6. That's in Canada because that's a CBC article. $7 a month. Netflix Basic with ads costs $7 a month for a single streamer, $3 a month less than the ad-free plan. See, for me, that didn't seem low enough. I was just like, man, it should be free. $6.99 a month. And then it goes up to $10 a month, and then $15.49, and then $20. It's really interesting to me that people take the ads for $3 less. They're like $3 less and ads. I would want it to be like $3 a month with ads.
Well, maybe it's not that invasive.
It must not be. I have not personally experienced it, but it must not be that invasive. Maybe I should ask people here in the chat if any of them have gone for this cheaper option, because I don't know anybody that has gone for the ad-supported that can actually tell us. They say here the basic with ads plan is ad-supported, some movies and TV shows unavailable, unlimited mobile games, watch on one supported device at a time.
Not 4K, just HD.
Yeah, and some people say 720p. It's very weird. I don't know.
Yeah, the pricing and the plans are just very strange.
So what do I have? Probably premium? I think I got the premium one.
$20 a month.
I'm up to 20 bigs. Unlimited ad-free movies, TV shows, mobile games, 4 supported devices, and 4K. So for 4K, I'm 20 a month if I want 4K.
Oh, yeah. So they have an HD option, which is 720p.
Yeah.
Watch full HD, which is 1080p. And then Ultra HD.
Yikes.
Why can't they just say the number? But
yikes. Well, because they want to put HD in everything. Because they're like, don't worry, it's still HD. But I don't know. I think it does mean something for the type of content on Netflix and the type of stuff that is formulated better for ad support versus, because to break up a movie with ads, yikes. That's no fun.